This is an Alberta emergency alert. Alberta Emergency Management Agency has updated the wildfire alert. This alert is in effect for Yellowhead County. There is a wildfire in Yellowhead County along Highway 16 between Evansburg and Wildwood. Residents along Highway 16, west of Highway 22, up to Highway 16A in the affected areas are being evacuated, including residents in the Lobstick Resort area. All residents in this zone must evacuate immediately. If you are in the affected area, Highway 16 is closed in both directions from Highway 22 to Wildwood due to wildfire. Visibility may be reduced in the area due to smoke. Please follow the direction of local authorities and visit www.511 Alberta. An evacuation center is being set up at the Evansburg Arena in Evansburg. The emergency information number for residents 1-833-334-4630. For preparedness information visit www.alberta. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.